Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Volkswagen or Audi with a TSI engine. If you guys have one of those and you have engine noise rattle, guys, stay with us. We'll explain how we can often easily fix that without taking the engine apart, without spending a lot of money, without putting a lot of hours of work into it. All that will be covered today, absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We're constantly taking things apart. You can see transmission, engines. We're constantly rebuilding things, fixing things. We make videos how to do that. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos. And if you need to buy any parts, tools for your Volkswagen or any car at a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's start on it now. So we've demonstrated on that Volkswagen TSI engine right here, guys, 2.0 engine. But even if you have a different 1.8, 2.0, doesn't matter which TSI engine you have, guys, it will work on Volkswagen and Audi. As you know, it's practically Volkswagen, Audi and Seat even, guys, if you have one, because they use their engines and Skoda as well. But if you think about it now, guys, okay, what can easily cause engine noise rattle? These engines, they have variable timing. You have hydraulic valve lifters as well. All these things, guys, can cause noise and rattle, especially on older engines or engines that haven't been serviced properly. Why? Because you will have carbon buildup inside the engine. That carbon buildup will not allow engine oil to flow freely, guys, through the small oil passages. So what you can do before you do the oil change, guys, get liquid moly engine flush. This thing is unbelievable. I was not a believer until we used it, guys, and we used it the first time on that Porsche Cayenne with almost 200,000 miles. We have a special video about that on our YouTube channel, Auto Repair, guys. Does liquid moly engine flush work? Check it out. It will talk about that. We'll demonstrate what the engine looked like once we did the engine flush. It was amazing results. You have to see that, guys. So do an engine flush. That will clean the oil and carbon buildup deposits in your engine. Once you do that, change the filter with a good quality original Volkswagen Audi filter. Then you want to use, guys, good engine oil, really good engine oil. Liquid moly, Molygan is amazing oil. We've been using it a lot without any problems. It tells you about friction, fuel consumption, speed of penetration and all that stuff. It's simply amazing. So add oil, but leave some space for that additive right here. Ceratec, guys, this is a life-saving device. It's a high-tech ceramic wear protection for engines and transmission. It extends service life, less friction, better fuel consumption, okay, protects up to 30,000 miles, guys. And another thing, if you open, okay, right here the box, you will see it reduces friction by 75% and wear by 34%. This thing will often reduce engine noises and rattles. It's amazing. We've used it in multiple vehicles, and I would say 7 or 8 out of 10 times the results are amazing, guys. So let's go ahead, give it a shake and put it in. So we shook it good, guys. Okay, give it a really good shake, because some of that ceramic stuff will be on the bottom. It will be orange in color. You need to pull that thing now. Okay, perfect. And we're going to go ahead and just empty it. Check this thing out. Let's go ahead, empty the whole thing now. Okay, perfect. Just like that. Now we can use a little bit of engine oil. Since we just did our oil change, we can just use a little bit of engine oil to clean the insides of it, okay? And that way we can get all of it. Just make sure you do not overfill the oil capacity on your Volkswagen, because what will happen, it can actually, guys, cause damage to the catalytic converters and other components as well. But if you have too much oil, that oil will try to come out of somewhere. It can go through the piston rings, burn through the engine and clog up your catalytic converters. On some cars you can even have a sticker on the radiator support that says that if you add too much oil, it will cause damage to the catalytic converters. Okay, we emptied and now we are ready to continue. So you can see, guys, okay, we're done. So what we have to do, practically start the car and start driving it. You start noticing the difference probably after about 1 or 2 fuel tanks of gas. It could be immediate results, but usually after the second fuel tank of gas you will notice difference, guys, tremendous difference, unless you have a mechanical problem. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.